So Poonam, tell me, is there any one role, any one heroine's role whom you've seen and you felt like, okay, I wish I could do that role.
Unnamrai, Sridevi.
Okay. And
This is the answer from the day one of me my entering in films to the last day. Sridevi ma'am is my goddess.
okay.
I'm waiting for a day where I can work with them. If somebody will ask me which actor, which hero you want to work with, I'll say Sridevi.
Okay.
And if I now I've been to SIMA awards and all that, I always see these actresses getting awards from her and all that. I feel jealous and I'm like, where did I go wrong in my career? I should have the day where I can just at least receive an award from her. At least I can stand at least 5% of what she's done for the cinema, which is quite impossible by any actress. But she's been the inspiration for a lot of us, but especially me. I have her in my temple.
Okay.
So that's about.
Let me tell you one thing, Poonam. The way you're going, I'm pretty sure you'll be receiving an award very soon.
Thank you so much.
Anyway, so one kind of genre of movies you really want to do,
One kind of genre of movies.
or you really wish you could do something like that.
The genre of movies which I want to do now, because I've done a lot of emotional roles, I would like to do some comedy. Now, at this moment, at this point of time. You're asking me a genre, but so I'll say now, I would love to do a comedy.
And one genre of movie you wouldn't do at all. Or maybe you won't be comfortable doing anything like that.
I won't be comfortable. Probably I won't be comfortable and not suitable for what a Sunny Leon does.
Okay.
So, other than that, I don't think there's any genre or anything. Never say no.
Okay.
You never know what happens to you. You never know till when are you there in the industry, till when are you not there. Till the time your audience wants you, you're there. The time people want you, you're there. And never say no for anything. Unless the extreme part, I don't think what a Sunny Leon can do, I can do, but I would like to try everything. Yeah.
So Poonam, is there any actress, current generation actress whom you're very jealous of, and why?
For the person I am, I don't want to be diplomatic. I'm never diplomatic. I'm taken in the wrong way for a lot of reasons. But yes, I am jealous of Frida Pinto. I think for what she did in the film, I forgot.
Slumdog Millionaire.
Slumdog Millionaire. A lot of biggest actresses would be jealous because from there she's really reached the level of Hollywood and she's continuing there. But it's a matter of luck, I said, because of the role which she could do and with the director could imagine her. I think any other girl could do, honestly, and could have reached that level. I think one of the most luckiest girl in this generation to come and who is Frida Pinto, and I'm very jealous.
Any one current generation actress's movie which you watched and you really admired that a lot?
Like recent films I watched, I really don't remember watching recent films. It's been a long time I saw I saw Farhan Akhtar's film that I really loved, but you are asking me actresses.
Yeah.
I loved Farhan Akhtar in his film which is
Baag Milkha Baag.
Baag Milkha Baag. I think it was fabulous actor.
Okay.
But someone actress, I really don't know. Like I love Tamanna, but I've not seen any of her recent films. But I love her as a person, and I love her for the kind of effort she puts in. And that's about it. I don't really remember. I'm sorry. I love
That's okay. So, is there any Tamil director whom you're really eager to work with? Anyone? Please name just one.
Please name just one. I want Kamal Haasan sir to direct me.
Oh wow, that's very ambitious.
I should say, I want to work in Kamal Haasan sir's direction.
Okay.
That's the right way to do it.
Okay, so Poonam, in Tamil, Telugu and everything, you worked with many directors. Who was the most difficult person to work with?
Durai.
And why is that?
Oh my God, you should ask Sham also, you should ask his whole unit. Oh God, he wants it right. You know, as I said, it is very difficult for somebody to imagine yourself on the screen where my hair is, at least now I'm a little dressed. My hair is not done, my face is not, I know it's the character, but somehow I need to look good. No ma, that's it, but he's not difficult to work with, he's very clear of what he wants. for the travel that we did and for the Nagari scenes we
Yeah.
had and all that, it was a little tougher for me to get into that and all. But he would just tell me the character and I would just go. It was a little difficult on a personal front to go there and fall off on the feet of that beggar and
True.
be in that zone and completely. I actually took the real matti and rubbed off in my hands and all that
Uh-huh.
in few of the scenes.
Uh-huh.
Where I didn't want to have some powder or something like that. Because once I get into that zone, then it's, as an actor, I think once you get into a different zone, almost all the actors are split personalities. We get into a different zone, and you're just part of it. And I think Durai was one person who made me really understand. But yeah.
Okay, and which one co-star whom you would want to do many more films with?
See, I've not done much.
Mm-hmm.
So I cannot actually say which co-star do I really want to work with. I'm just going beyond the level of doing some roles to a main lead to the next generation.
Mm-hmm.
I would like to do good cinemas
Mm-hmm.
and I would like to do it with good actors because I learn from them.
Okay.
It is not one particular, like I would love to work with Surya. I think he's one of the brilliant actors we have. But you never know what comes on the way, so we don't have a choice as such.
Okay.
So I want to grow beyond, like, go step by
Mm-hmm.
and see whom I would love to work with. And I just feel any good actor is a very good human being
Okay.
at the end of the day. Because unless you're not a very good human being, you can't really emote out well.
Okay. So Poonam, one last question. You're going to curse me for asking this, but I'm ordered to ask this question to all the heroines that I meet. If Vijay, Surya and Ajit want to do a movie with you, but they ask the same thing in the same time, you have to choose only one. Whom would you choose?
Vijay, Surya and Ajit.
Yeah.
I've been saying Surya, so I rather say Surya right now. I cannot say Vijay or Ajit.
Mm-hmm.
I've been saying Surya for such a long time.
Okay.
And I think, you know what I'll do if it is given on the same time, because it's big movies.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sure the span is also bigger.
Okay.
So I think in a week I will go 2 days here, 2 days there, 2 days there and keep on doing myself.
Okay.
But I love to work with all of them, man.
Okay.
Obviously. And being a big fan of Surya and especially Ajit sir in Godfather,
Mhm.
that's my first Tamil film I saw.
Okay.
And that was by K.S. Ravikumar sir.
Yes,
right?
yes.
I even told K.S. sir that, sir, the film you made, please make it in Hindi and please take me in the film. Because I think it was brilliant.
Mhm.
And Vijay is an amazing dancer.
Yeah, true.
Too. So everybody's got their own journey. I would love to work with them.
Okay, so Poonam, it was a pleasure talking to you. Seriously, I enjoyed it a lot, and all the best for your future as well, and all the best for Six Candles too. Thank you.